Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will learn about Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn about COVID-19 Arabic paper pattern. Paper pattern. Okay. This is for intermediate first year students. This paper pattern is for intermediate first year students. Okay. Got it. In this academic year, for the academic year 2020-21, May 2020-21, this paper pattern has been introduced with a slight change. How many sections are there in your paper pattern? Earlier you have 1 to 16 sections. Current year also you have 1 to 16 sections. In sections and in marks there is no change. Okay. Where is the change? The change has been made from section number 1 to section number 8. Okay. From 1 to 8 sections has been changed, but remaining section from 9 to 16 no change. Okay. So we will learn about the change. Earlier what he was asking, this year what he will ask. Okay. We will solve section 1 first. Section 1, 2, 3, 4, up to section 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. 16 sections are there. Are you able to see the board? Now you can see it. Total 16 sections are there. Section 1 belongs to poetry. Okay. Carries 6 marks. Section 2 belongs to poetry. Carries 6 marks. I will explain each one of them in detail. First you take a look for all the 16 sections. Here section 3 belongs to prose, carries 6 marks. This section 4 belongs to non-detail, carries 8 marks. Then section 5 belongs to poetry. PE I will write for poetry, or PO. PO for poetry carries 6 marks. Section 6 belongs to prose, PR, prose carries 6 marks. Then section 7 belongs to poetry, carries 6 marks. Section 8 belongs to prose, carries 6 marks. Okay. 1 to 8 sections has been changed, but from 11 to 16 bits there is no change. So what is 9 bit? From 9 to 16 no change. What is 9 bit belongs to? It belongs to poetry, carries 5 marks. Section 10 belongs to prose, carries 5 marks. 11 belongs to prose or non-detail. Okay, carries 5 marks. Sometimes he may ask you the passage from non-detail section, sometimes from the prose section. So maximum he will ask you the passage of non-detail, but we can't take risk. He may ask from prose section as well. So we have, for this bit we have 5 marks. Then section 12A, from section 12 to 16 all the bits belongs to grammar, GR. Okay. From section 12 to section 16 belongs to grammar. 12 carries 8 marks. Total section 12 carries 8 marks. 12A and 12B. 12A carries 4 marks, 12B carries 4 marks. Section 13 carries 8 marks and section 14 belongs to grammar, carries 8 marks. Section 15 belongs to grammar, carries 6 marks, and section 16 belongs to grammar, carries 5 marks. 8 marks, again 8 marks, then 6 marks, then 5 marks. Okay. This is your paper pattern. Now, what we will do, we will learn these 16 bits in detail. Okay. Here, section number 1, as I said, belongs to poetry. In this section, what he will ask, here I will share the screen with you. Here you see. Section number 1. Uktub baytain min ihdal unshudatain. Okay. Uktub baytain min ihdal unshudatain at-taliyatain carries 6 marks. Write 2 lines in Arabic from any one of the following poems. Allahu mai al-kitab. So, in this way, he will, in this way, okay. Yes, please do not raise your hands till I ask you to do so. When I will come to the doubt clarification session, I will ask you to raise your hands. At that time, you have to raise your hands. Till that time, don't raise your hands. Here you see, in the first section, see, here in section number 1, he is asking you to write 2 lines of the poem in Arabic. Okay. He will give you the names of the poem, like here it is given, Allahu Ma'i and Al-Kitab. So, earlier you were having 2 options, but this year he will increase 1 option for you. Instead of giving 2 names of the poem, he will give 3 names of the poem. Allahu Ma'i Al-Kitabu, for example, Tala al-Badru Alayna, ABC. 3 options will be given. Among those 3 options, you have to answer 1 question. Got it? Earlier 2 options were there. This year you have 3 options. You have to answer 1. This is your section 1. In Arabic, you have to line 2 verses of the poem. Now come to section 2nd. Section 2nd belongs to poetry, and he will ask you to write the summary of any one of the following poems in not less than 100 words in your own language. He will give you the names of the poem, like here it is given Talal Badru Alayna and Fazlul Ummi. 2 options are given, but this year he will increase 1 option for you. Talal Badru Alayna, Fazlul Ummi and Allahu Ma'i. 3 options will be given. From those 3 options, you have to answer 1 summary in not less than 100 words. Maximum you may extend your summary to 300 words, but not more than that. Okay. From 150 words to 300 words, you may write your summary. So you will get all 6 marks for it. In your own language, you may give the summary in your own language. For example, you may write the summary in English, you may write the summary in Urdu, or you may write the summary in Hindi as well. Okay, or any other language which you know. Now come to section number 3. Section number 3 belongs to prose. He will ask you to write the summary of any one of the following lessons in not less than 100 words in your own language. Here he will give you the names of the lesson or surahs. In first unit you have 4 surahs. In second unit you have 1 lesson. Then again other units you have lessons. So here he has given the name Suratul Ikhlas Telangana Zahabiyya. One more option here will be given for this current academic year. If you want to understand in easy, from 1 to 8 sections options has been increased. From 9 to 16 sections there are no changes. So here it is asking, he is asking Suratul Ikhlas, Telangana, Dhabiya. Okay. Among these two options, you have to answer one, but he will increase one option for you here. Okay. For example, he may increase Suratul Quray, here Suratul Fatiha. Okay. Suratul Fatiha he may increase. Got it? Now come to section number 4. What is section number 4? Section number 4 belongs to non-detail. Here it is given. He will ask you to write the question and answers. He will give you 8 options. Earlier he was giving 8 options. Now he will give 10 options. 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, you have to answer 4 questions which carries 8 marks. Each answer carries 2 marks. You have to answer 4 questions from this section. This section belongs to non-detail. Got it? Now come to section number 5. Section number 5 belongs to poetry, and he is asking you to give the reference of the poem lines. He will give you the poem lines in Arabic and will ask you to give reference of the given line. How you will answer? For example, here it is given Allahu fil jodi wa fi sururi, Allahu fi samti wa fi tabiri. How you will answer this question? Just you have to write the name of the poem by writing, after writing this line, Hadal Baitu min unshudati, Allahu main. In this way you have to answer. Here 4 options are given, but this year one option will increase. A, B, C, D and E. 5 lines of the poems will be given. Among those 5 lines you have to answer 2 verses. Got it? Now come to next section.